Hey guys, in a previous video of my low pro backpack, I briefly mentioned the Miss Chrissy accessories that I purchased for my Air 2S. So I thought I would make a video of these showing them in more detail. I wanted to install an anti-collision strobe light on the top of my Air 2S, but I didn't really want to stick anything to my beautiful decal girl's skin. So I did a search for a bracket for the strobe light, and I found a small 3D printing company which made the bracket that I was looking for to place my Firehouse Technologies strobe light on the top of the Air 2S. The bracket is made well. It's pretty durable, and I like the fact that I can leave the strobe light installed in the bracket. I needed to make a small alteration to the side of the bracket here so that I could leave the strobe light installed in the bracket and still be able to charge it. It fits the Air 2S perfectly. It snaps right on top over the ears on the battery and pops off just as easily. While I was on their website, I found a couple of other accessories that I thought I could use for the Air 2S. The second thing I purchased were these battery terminal covers. They have a pretty tight fit and they stay on once in place, and they prevent the battery terminals from touching anything or just getting debris in the pins. They snap on, stay on, and then pack away. The third item or items that I purchased were these two prop holders. Again, the fit was perfect. They're easy to install. Simply fold the propellers up like you normally would. Take the clip, place it over the back of the propellers and over each of the propeller arms. What I like is that the bracket itself does not pinch the propellers down. As you can see, they can still move a little bit, so there's no bend in the propellers, but they're held snugly by the bracket. The top bracket is just as easily installed. Fold the arms and the props in. Take the bracket and place it over the tips of the propellers and the propeller arms. Again, notice that the propellers can move freely underneath the bracket. There's no pinching, there's no bending, yet they're held securely in place, and I can place the Air 2S safely in my backpack without worrying about the propellers catching on anything. All the items seem to be made from a pretty durable plastic, and I think they'll last me a long time without failing. I left links in the description below for both the Miss Chrissy accessories and the Firehouse Technology strobe light in case you're interested. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.